Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to install Apple Previews apps on Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. In the previous build, Microsoft stated that previews of the Apple Music, Apple TV, and Apple devices apps are available in the Microsoft Store on Windows 11, limited to the US, but in this video, I'll show you how to install it on any Windows 11, with build 22621, or higher, also, without any region limitations. Now, open your browser, and go to Microsoft Store. Make sure that you have this URL. In the search bar, search for any of the Apple Preview apps, and you will have it there. Click on the Preview app, and from here, click on Get in Store app. And now, the app will be shown in Microsoft Store app, and will have the option to install. After loading is done, Install option will appear. Click on Install, and your installation will begin. If you want to know more about the app, just click on More Details, and Microsoft Store app will maximize to show the details. After the installation is done, you can use the app. And as you can see, Apple Music Preview is running. In the same way, you can install the rest of the Apple Preview apps. And, all the Apple Preview apps has been installed. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.